What's it like, Stuart?
You've probably got two questions. Stu, why are you seeing your greenhouse with some chickens in the background? And two, what's up with the no drone content? Like, come on, I want some FPV news. Well, let me just explain, because it really has been pretty shit at the moment. That's why I haven't seen any content. The last thing you saw would have been like a live stream of a cyclone that was coming. Now, if you don't know what a cyclone is, that is like it's the same as like a hurricane. You call it a hurricane in the States or the northern hemisphere, a cyclone down here, and we got absolutely smashed by it. Like where I live, it was like a direct hit from the cyclone. You know, it wasn't been great. Like, to tell you what we've been living through, and the reason why the chickens are in here, because this was the only safe place for them. Like the chicken coop behind it, the amount of water that was running down this property, everything was flooding. And because these raised beds that I'm sitting in, where I usually grow some veggies, are up a little bit higher, it was the only safe place to put the chickens. Like, we had windows smashed. I'll put some pictures on the screen. Like, we've had flooding, a little bit of flooding at the back of our house here. All like the favorite flying spots, like all those trees, they're all completely blown over. We didn't have power for 6 days, which I know some people say, oh, it doesn't sound like a bad deal, or it doesn't sound that bad. Let me tell you, after 6 days and having your family here, there's no food in the fridge. Like, some of the roads were closed, no power to cook anything. Everything's gone like rotten, and we had to throw all that sort of stuff out. Not sure about the water, like drinking out of big containers it filled up previously. It just has been a pretty depressing time, actually, and that's kind of why, like, I don't know, I just wanted to make this video, I guess, to talk about it a little bit. I don't know, connect with some of you guys. Like, I know this community is always so supportive, and it's just been kind of rough. Now, look, thankfully, while I'm filming this, I've been able to charge my GoPro. We do have our power back now, so it's just about getting things back to normal, repairing some of those things that have happened to the house and that sort of stuff. But it's going to take a little while, and I will do drone content. It's just, I got some other things I want to take care of first. And the really hard part here is, like, YouTube doesn't care about that stuff, and it really punishes people who don't upload regularly. So it'll often push their channel to obscurity, and people say, we'll still be here, Stu, take care of yourself. But that's the hard part. Like, by doing that, I'm still going to get not in YouTube's good books. So I sort of got like two messages, as well as an update here. If you just want to help the channel, one of the best ways that you can do that is by, like, either liking this video or leaving a comment and then saying, hey, you know what, Stu, I'm gonna go watch another video for you. Just like let it play through, just some random video, just let YouTube watch that, and I'll say, hey, people are still watching UAVfutures content. And the other part, and I want to say that if you'd like to become a member here on UAVfutures, like, we don't have any new there's not going to be any new content this week, that is for absolutely sure, but there's a little members thing down there. So if you'd like to join and help out and just become part of the UAVfutures family, I'm going to put that link. That link should be there to join anyway. So I don't know, that's an update of why we hadn't had any content. It's just been a bit of greenhouse has sort of fallen apart in the background, but yeah, that's why there's no content. It's just been rough, and that's what's been happening. So I don't know, I just I'm going to push this video out, and then I'm going to get back to work cleaning stuff up. All right, happy flying. Thanks to those people who are here watching this, and thanks so much if you're one of those people who do want to help out and become a member for this month. So cheers, thank you.